All right, a little bit of chaos there, but we have Eric hooked up to a Mahi. We both had double Mahis on. Mine spit the hook. Actually, I'm happy it spit the hook so I can help his. But he's got a really big Mahi on right now, so we're gonna try to get it. Gotta wear him out, can't gaff him too quick. So just let him run there, Eric, a little bit, okay? He's gotta really tire out before I can gaff him. Drag's pretty loose, right? You can pull some line out with your hand. Okay, I want it loose. We came out here for, right?
See it.
Dinner. Not yet. All right, premature, but you might have dinner on the line. Nice Mahi Mahi, it's bull Mahi. Woo! Sweet! I'm gonna let him chill out for a second here because he's fresh. All right, nice Mahi Mahi. Excellent fish for Eric, that's what he wanted. Beautiful Mahi Mahi, first time offshore. That was an excellent fish, about 10, 12 pound bull. Beautiful job. Well, we got the Mahi, now we got the sail on right now. Got Eric hooked up 2 sailfish out there. He's gonna run again.
Nice.
There he is. So when he gets a little more tired, I'm gonna slap him up under the bill. Keep reeling, keep reeling, keep reeling, keep reeling. You gotta reel. Because if he doesn't feel that tension, he's jumping in your lap, okay? You know what I mean? Like if he doesn't feel you on there, he's just gonna jump at you. But if he feels you, he's gonna naturally jump away from you. Always keep bending that rod. You need to get him a little bit more tired here. As you saw by those jumps, he's not really tired. Usually they run and they get tired and you slowly bring him towards you. He didn't do his run, so we gotta wear him out close to us. Which gets a little tricky. All right, we got him! Sailfish! Woo-hoo! Beautiful sailfish for Eric here. First one, got Mahi, now you got a sailfish. Excellent job, dude.
Nice.
All right, another Mahi on. Another good one. Not as big as the first one, but still a good one. The one right behind me there. Yeah, another good one, dude. I got it. Walk them that way, line off the boat. I know. Just as you said, still got some juice to it. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. That's what I was thinking. That's why I didn't want to gap him there yet. Yeah, it's not a small one. He didn't really fight that much, but this is a good fish, man.
Beats me, baby.
Yeah, it's another good fish. Another nice Mahi here. Pull up. Kidding me here. Can't reel any more than that there. Pull up. Well, Eric, you batted 100% today. We got 2 Mahi, 2 for 2 on Mahi, 1 for 1 on sailfish, man. Hell of a day offshore.
Doesn't get better than that.
Hell no, hold them tight. They love to freak on you. Good job. All right, we're heading in now. Just finished up a great day fishing. Eric got his 2 Mahi. He wanted meat, he got his meat. And we got a nice trophy sailfish for him. Can't beat that. That's spring fishing, Southeast Florida. Get your Mahi, get your sailfish. Tuna's showing up soon. Awesome day. Heading in.